Whenever you enter a room, what do people notice first about you? Even before you say a single word, it's your body language, and that's what determines whether you'll be respected or ignored. But you might not even realize how this works. To help you understand, I'm going to show you two clips right now. In one clip, body language will be used, and in the other, it won't. You'll be able to see the difference for yourself. So first, let's watch the video clip without any body language.
Even here, to talk about the foundation of great communication, it's vital that you learn to apply the things you learn. Otherwise, you won't be able to amplify the best parts of yourself.
As you clearly observed in the video, there was a complete and total lack of body language in this clip.
Great. So I'm so excited to take you through some of the core foundations, and as we dive deeper and apply these, it will help you amplify the best parts of yourself.
The difference is right in front of you. In both clips, the speech was the same, but in one, body language was used, and in the other, it wasn't. That's why in the first clip, the person appeared shy, nervous, and unconfident. But in the second clip, when the same speech was delivered with body language, it came across as powerful and confident. That's why, in this video, we're going to decode every single powerful body language move of highly confident and high-status people. By using these, you too can easily build your own powerful and confident body language so that no one will ever dare to ignore you again. Write in the comments, I am powerful, because today is going to be a life-changing day. Step number 1, be a leader. To help you understand this, I'm going to give you a test. For that, watch this clip. Now tell me honestly, out of these three boys, which one did your eyes go to first? The first, second, or third? I'm 100% sure your eyes went to the second boy first. But why is that? Because the center of attention, many people feel insecure when they're in a group, so they either walk on the sides or at the back. But a leader is always in the center. The person who is in the center is the one everyone notices first. They seem the most confident, and they look like the leader. That's why, whenever you're walking with people, always walk in the center. Think about it. In TV shows, whenever there's a main character, they're always placed in the center. And if you've seen Thomas Shelby, you'll notice that whenever he walks with his gang, he's always in the center. Because the one in the center is considered important. They're seen as the leader. And if you're the person who always walks on the side, who is afraid to come into the mainstream, you'll never be seen as someone with an important role. So remember, whenever you walk, come to the center with pure confidence. A leader is the one who has the courage to put themselves center stage. Now you've made it to the center, but how do you actually do it? For that, the next step is very important. Step number 2, walking. When you enter a room, the first thing people notice about your body language is your walk. You don't get a second chance to make a stylish and strong first impression. For this, you need to pay attention to some important points. First, walk with your shoulders swinging well. You must have noticed that when a small animal or person is stressed or scared, they make themselves smaller and hunch over. The same applies to humans as well. If you want to improve your walking style, relax your shoulders and let them swing naturally. Secondly, never walk with your shoulders tensed up. This creates a bad impression. For example, a high-status alpha female makes wide movements to show her femininity, and a high-value male swings his shoulders while walking to display his masculinity. Second, walk with your head held high. In the animal kingdom, the most powerful and dominant animal, the lion, always walks with its head and eyes in a straight posture. The same goes for all leaders. All powerful people, when they walk, always keep their heads held high. They never walk with their eyes downcast. They never avoid making eye contact. There are many people like this. When they're walking and someone comes by, they lower their gaze. They can't even face the other person. They're that shy. They become so uncomfortable inside that they start walking quickly and keep their eyes down. This makes you look insecure. That's why whenever you walk, face the people in front of you and always keep your head held high. This shows where you're going and what your purpose is. Third is walking speed. A lot of people walk as if the police are chasing them, while others walk so slowly as if they don't care about anything, as if they have nothing to do. They're very tired in their life. They're depressed. You need to avoid this. You should walk in such a way that you're neither walking too slowly nor too fast. Instead, you should walk at a medium pace. You should take your steps in a way that shows everything is under your control, that you're walking with satisfaction. Your speed itself determines what kind of image the observer will form of you. Open hands. A lot of people walk with their arms crossed. They put their hands in their pockets. This makes you feel scared or insecure. A leader always keeps his hands open. When he walks, his hands move in a way that shows pure attitude. So whenever you walk, keep your hands under control. Let your hands move naturally, but don't move them so much that you start to look funny. Avoid putting your hands in your pockets. If you really want to, put one hand in your pocket and keep the other hand out. This style will make you look more confident, more attractive, and when you walk like this, everyone will notice you. Step number 3, standing. About 40 to 50% of your body is made up of your legs. That's why how you stand and how you position your legs when you sit matters a lot. Your body language can make you appear dominant or weak, like standing with your hands closed tightly in an attention mode. This is a weak and submissive standing position. That's why this position is used in situations where you are weaker than the person in front of you, or the other person is more dominant than you. But when you want to appear powerful and dominant in front of others, position your hands and feet as if you are the boss. Do it with relaxation and confidence, and there are some very powerful ways to achieve this coming up next. The forward foot position is a perfect combination of a white mask and a dominant body posture. Most celebrities use this posture on the red carpet stage so that they can appear both powerful and attractive. And the question is, how should you position your hands with this attractive pose? For this as well, you need to build a masculine and attractive body combination. And to do that, you can place one hand in your pocket and let the other hand hang down. Some studies show that this posture is the most attractive for a man. For this, focus on three main things. First, your shoulders. If your shoulders are always slouched or rounded, you automatically appear less confident. Now imagine a soldier standing on the battlefield. His shoulders are straight, just open, and his stance is ready. This is the kind of energy you need to adopt. Keep your shoulders straight, slightly open but relaxed, not overacting. When you stand like this, people start to see you as serious and confident. Second, your feet. A lot of people stand like this. Standing with your feet completely together makes you look uncomfortable and nervous. A Sigma male stance always claims its own space. Feet shoulder width apart, perfectly balanced, not too wide, or you'll look funny. And not too close, or you'll look weak. Third, your hands. Hands are the biggest giveaway of your body language. If you always stand with your hands in your pockets or fold them across your chest, blocking yourself, you come across as closed off and insecure. A Sigma male keeps his hands natural and controlled, relaxed at your sides, or occasionally with hand movements. No unnecessary fidgeting, putting your hands in your pockets, tapping, or finger wiggling. Step number 4, setting. By now you've learned how to walk like a high-value man and stand confidently like a boss in front of people. But if you make a mistake while sitting, your confidence will hit rock bottom in front of them in just 1 second. That's why, even when you sit, you should sit like a boss. To do this with a relaxed and confident attitude, there are some very powerful body postures coming up. Don't lower your head while sitting. Keep your body straight. Keep a confident smile on your face. This will make you appear fearless and highly confident. For this, remember 2 points. First, sit like you own the space. You should know how to claim your seat. A lot of people sit glued to the chair as if they need permission to be there. This makes you look insecure. Whenever a Sigma male sits, he occupies space. Relaxed, controlled posture, legs slightly spread, back straight, just open. If you're sitting on a chair or anything, spread your arms out a bit. Keep them like this. It shows you're comfortable and in control of your environment. Second, keep your back straight. A lot of people slouch while sitting. They bend their spine. This makes you look weak and low on energy. Keep your back straight and natural. Not so much that you look like a board, and not so stiff that it seems like you're being punished in the military. A straight and relaxed back gives you a kind of confidence that's instantly noticeable. The last step is hand movement. This is so powerful that it can make anything you say 50% more effective and impactful. That's why every businessman, politician, and influencer uses this body language to make their words more powerful. There are 4 hand gestures for this. First tip, when you address a group, make a sweeping motion with your hand. That means keep your palm open and move your hand from left to right or right to left. Moving smoothly like this just shows that you are controlling the conversation. Speakers, leaders, Sigma males, they use this to sweep people's attention. Remember, the sweep should always be calm and slow. Otherwise, you'll start to seem aggressive. Second, famous tip. Use your hand to create a frame for your words. Like when you're defining something or highlighting an idea, the frame gesture makes you look authoritative and focused, and the other person feels like your words are a clear blueprint. Third, cuts. Sometimes you need to give your point a solar impact. That's when you use the cut gesture, meaning you bring your hand into a vertical position. With a sharp motion, you cut down or to the side. Fourth, steeple, joining your fingers together to form a triangle shape. This is called the steeple. When you use the steeple gesture while sitting or standing, you project a calm power. People automatically feel that you have full belief in your point, which is why leaders, CEOs, and high-value Sigma males always use this gesture in meetings. By using all these steps, you can build a confident and dominating body language. But if you want to build such confidence within yourself, along with body language, that no matter who stands in front of you, you don't become nervous or weak and can handle every situation confidently, then here's the full process. I have explained it in the video shown on the screen. You can click and watch it. And yes, I'll meet you there.